This is J. Randall Wilkerson, author of the Heart Failure Recovery Plan, Successful Heart Regeneration Using Metabolic Enzymes. This is part 56 of a 58-part video series on every chapter in the book. Please review our introductory video for background information. Click on our publisher's name in YouTube to access the entire series of videos, and then click on like if you find this beneficial. Part 56 covers a unusual subject heading. It's in the back of the book because it's kind of rare, and that is parasites or heartworm. There are many causes for heart failure in humans, yet the most interesting are parasites that attack the heart itself. Parasites like heartworm and tapeworms are not easily tested, and many doctors find that they won't bother. They believe it is impossible for humans to catch heartworm from dogs. However, that is not true. There are significant cases where mosquito-borne heartworm infections have led to heart failure in humans. Heart failure caused by parasites is typically not discovered. Cardiologists call this idiopathic heart failure, which means, I don't know why you have heart failure. Normally, when a human is bitten by a mosquito that carries heartworm infections, the immune system fights off that infection. And when heartworm does infect a human body, it often attacks the lungs where the immune system reaction stops it. But there are times when a weak immune system cannot fight it off. The human becomes affected, whereby the parasite can attack the heart muscle, causing heart failure. Up to 80% of adults and children in the U.S. population carry parasites in your system. If you eat meat, raw vegetables, and salads, you are exposed to potential cysts that form parasites in your body. For most adults, this parasite saps your body of some energy, but not enough to notice. For heart failure patients, any energy loss is harmful to recovery. Occasionally, parasites attack the heart muscle, and medical tests for parasite infections are often inconclusive because the test will only detect certain varieties. Currently, there are no pharmaceutical medicines for treatment of human heartworm infections. The FDA recommends surgical removal of the body organs infected by heartworm. Surgical amputation of the heart is not going to be successful. There are herbal treatments that appear to be successful in a high percentage of cases. As with all herbal medicines, a standardized concentration is difficult to find to establish an effective dose. Another issue are drug interactions. So it's important to review with your pharmacist or doctor any specific contraindications between the use of the following herbal extracts and your current medications. There are two herbal treatments for parasite removal. One is a mixture of green black walnut extract and wormwood, and the other is an herbal liquid extract called Artemisia annua. Two products with the highest success rate of treatment based on consumer reviews are Christopher's Herbal Parasite Syrup and Now Foods Fresh Green Black Walnut Wormwood Complex. Now, keep in mind, here is a warning. Natural treatments for parasite removal are very powerful to kill parasites inside your body. It must be strong enough to be a poison to the parasites without killing the human host, yourself. Such strong medications can have side effects even if they are not registered with the FDA. Treat them with extreme caution. A person with heart failure is weaker than the average person intended for the use of these herbal extracts. Always start with the lowest possible dose at a very minimum level, possibly only 1 drop. Slowly increase the dose over several days to reduce any side effect and watch for them. In summary, visit a doctor or practitioner who has experience treating humans with parasites. Check around for local recommendations. Many experienced users of parasitic treatments watch their stools to observe the various types of worms and eggs driven out of their body. It may sound gross and disgusting, yet having a constant long-term infestation is much worse for successful heart failure recovery. In conclusion, this is J. Randall Wilkerson, author of the Heart Failure Recovery Plan, Successful Heart Regeneration Using Metabolic Enzymes. This book is available at Amazon in print and Kindle editions. It's available from the Apple iTunes Store in an iBooks edition, and it's on eBay in a print edition. You can also order direct from the publisher, Wilkerson and Hughes, P.O. Box 777, Altoona, Florida 32702. Just include a check for $24 to cover the book and shipping cost.